Hey guys, ever wondered why do we yawn? Imagine sitting in a cozy room watching a movie. One person yawns and it's like a yawn bomb went off. Why is yawning so contagious? Let's explore. The ancient mystery of the contagious yawn. It was a concept that a person yawn when he is tired or sleepy, but wait. It's a myth. Yawning is actually a primal form of communication. Studies suggest it's linked to empathy and social bonding. When you see someone yawn, your brain goes, hey, let's sync up. Another myth. It's due to low levels of oxygen in blood. Nope, it's not about low oxygen. Breathing more doesn't stop yawns, try it. Then what's the fact? Studies show people yawn more in warm weather. But why? Your brain is a power-hungry supercomputer. It uses 20% of your energy, and like any machine, it heats up. When you yawn, a deep inhale pulls in cool air. The stretch of your jaw increases blood flow to the skull. The cool air plus blood flow combo acts like a radiator flush for your brain. Keep yawning to keep your brain cool. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe.